day class. So this afternoon we are going to solve this question by completing the square method. And actually we have solved the first one by factorization method, by quadratic formula, and this is the third one now by completing the square method. So if you are not clear with anyone, just go to our YouTube channel or Facebook, you listen to it so that you get it perfectly. Now let's solve it. Solution. We have question to be 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So as we have it like this now, the first thing we are going to do is to consider the coefficient of x squared. So we now say divide through by 2. So it will now give us 2x squared over 2 plus 3x over 2 minus 2 over 2 equals to 0 over 2. So when you look at it, 2 we cancel 2, we have x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 1 equals to 0. 2 we cancel 2, so it will give us 1. So that's the first step under completing the square method. The next one now, the next step now is, we now say take constant to the right hand side. So this is our constant now, and we are taking it to the other side. It will now give us x squared plus 3 over 2x equals to 0 plus 1. Are we together now? So from there now, we will now move to coefficient of x. So by saying find half of coefficient of x. So to find the half of coefficient of x is what? 3 over 2. So now times 1 over 2 equals to 3 times 1, 3, 2 times 2, 4. So that's half of coefficient of x. When you now arrive at half like this, you will now square it. We will now say square the half. So when you square the half, it will give us 3 over 4 square like this. So the square now, you will now add it to both sides. So you now go back to where we stopped, which is here. You add 3 over 4 square to both sides. It will now give us x squared plus 3 over 2x plus 3 over 4 squared equals to 1 plus 3 over 4 squared. Are we together? So from there now, when you look at our left hand side, we have 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2. So which means they have something in common. Then you now say factorize left hand side. So when we factorize left hand side now, we are going to have, so 3 over 2x is gone. So we have x squared. Okay, we have x plus 3 over 4. So everything now we carry square. You know there is square here, there is square here. So we have grouped them together with one square. Now equals to, we have 1 plus 3 square means 9. And 4 square means 16. So we now have 1 plus 9 over 16. Okay? So now x plus 3 over 4 square equals to, so we find the LCM here now. The LCM is 16. 1 into 16, 16 times 1, 16. Then plus 16 to 16, 1 times 9, 9. Are we together? So we now have x plus 3 over 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16 plus 9. That's 25 over 16. Are we together? Now we have square here. We will now think about how to remove the square. So we now say take what? Square root of both sides. So it will now give us square root of x plus 3 over 4 square equals to plus or minus square root of 25 over 16. So now square root we cancel square. We have x plus 3 over 4 equals to plus or minus square root of 25 is 5, square root of 16 is 4. Are we together now? So as we now have it like this, we will now take 3 over 4 to the other side. Now x equals to minus 3 over 4 plus or minus 5 over 4. Are we together now? So as we now have it like this, so the next thing we are going to do now is we find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 4 and 4? Which is 4. So 4 into 4, 1 times 3 minus 3 plus or minus 4 into 4, 1 times 5, 5. So we now have it to be x equals to, now minus 3, so we have plus or minus, so plus 5 over 4 or minus 3 minus 5 over 4. So x equals to minus 3 plus 5 will give you 2 over 4 or minus 3 minus 5 will give you what? Minus 8 over 4. So therefore our x equals to, this one will give us 1 over 2 or this one will give us minus 2. So we arrive at 1 over 2 or minus 2 by using completing the square method. So now when you now look at the first clip now that we use to solve this quadratic equation, we solve it by factorization method. We arrive at 1 over 2 or minus 2. When you look at the second clip also, we solve that one by quadratic formula, that is, that you know to be almighty formula. So we also arrive at 1 over 2 or minus 2. Now this is the third one. Now we solve it by completing the square method, and we also arrive at 1 over 2 or minus 2. So which means now it's advisable for all our candidates that want to write WAEC or NECO, NAPTEP, GCE exam, even A-level exam, that they are to master the 3 factorization method, completing the square method, and quadratic method, because they don't know the one they will ask them to use in the exam. So if they know the 3, it will give them upper hand to score higher in their exam. So kindly help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. The subscription is free. So bye.